to fix. Sorry, there's a problem with your request on Instagram. It's an easy process, so let's start. So hello everybody, just hit the subscribe button so that this helps me. So thanks. So open the Instagram app. So and you can see when you see any problem with Instagram, and then just check your storage space. If that is running out, then just clear some photos of videos. After that, just check it out your internet connection. After that, just go to the Instagram and shake your device. After that, when you shake your device, Instagram will make you a pop-up. So if that not work, then just go to the profile and click to the three dot menu. After that, click to the settings and then click to the help option, and then click to the report a problem option, and then just click to the report problem without shaking. After that, just click to the don't include and continue option, and then just type your desired problem. So just type your problems and then just click to the send option. After that, your problem will be solved. So thanks. uh, See you in the next one. Bye.